Welcome to St. Andrew's School. We're so glad you can join us. Come on inside and take the whole journey with us.
So we're inclusive in the sense that we are diverse, we're international, and we're proudly Bahamian. We're about 65 to 70% Bahamian in terms of our demographic, and about 30% expatriate. Those expatriate students come from about 32 different nationalities, and they mix so well together with the different nationalities and with the Bahamians, and it brings this really diverse melting pot to St. Andrews. But to me, inclusion means that we are a microcosm of society. We represent really what we want society as a whole to be like.
We're now in the primary school. Let's take a look at what's going on over here.
My name is Jessica Waugh, and I'm Vice Principal and Head of the Primary School at St. Andrews. Our primary program begins with preschool students who use the Reggio Emilia approach to inquire into topics that relate to their daily lives, and this leads perfectly into the primary years program, which carries students from pre-kindergarten 1 all the way up through 5th grade.
My name is Catherine Izikoy, and I'm the Director of Teaching and Learning for Primary. I have specific responsibility for our infant department, which includes our Early Learning Center, kindergarten, and grade 1. We also offer a Moms and Tots program for students aged 15 months to 2.5 years of age.
The culminating point of the primary years program is when students become independent, confident, creative inquirers and present their exhibition projects at the end of 5th grade. The exhibition project is a culminating activity that allows our grade 5 students to confidently share what they've learned throughout the primary years program with the school community as well as their parents. And this project also includes an element of the students taking action in the local community and making a difference in their lives and the lives of others around them.
We're now in the secondary school, about to take the journey all the way to the other side.
Hi, my name's Catherine Dillette. I'm Vice Principal and Head of Secondary at St. Andrews International School. It's a pleasure to be able to meet with you and to be able to share a little bit of information about what makes St. Andrews Secondary School a great place to learn. St. Andrews Secondary School runs from grade 6. Students are typically age 10 or 11 through to grade 12 when our students are 17 or 18 as they leave us. Our academic program from grade 6 to grade 10 we call the Middle Years Diploma Program. It connects very, very well with our primary years program, and we continue on developing the skills with our students as they transition into our middle years program that they bring with them from the primary years program.
And this Middle Years Diploma helps bridge our PYP program and helps prepare our students for the IB program. So there's a continuum throughout the school, and every aspect of the Middle Years Diploma program can be found in some shape or form in our primary years program as well as in our IB diploma program.
At the end of the Middle Years Diploma program, the students culminate by writing external examinations in the IGCSE, which is the International General Certificate of Education, or in some subject areas they do write the BGCSE, which is the Bahamas General Secondary Certificate of Education. These exams prepare them very well for their final 2 years in secondary school, where students study through the International Baccalaureate Diploma Program.
The IB Diploma Program is a wonderful opportunity for students to find preparation for university in a setting that's still supportive and understanding of their needs as individuals and as developing young people. The IB Diploma Program is designed around the concept of a liberal arts education, which encourages students to get out of their comfort zones a little bit and perhaps experience things that they might not have normally done voluntarily.
The diploma program is what we consider to be the gold standard of secondary education globally. It is a very rigorous academic program and a 2-year course of study. Universities across North America, in Canada, and in England they look for students who have completed the diploma program, and in many cases they grant them advanced standing when they enter their institutions. Our extracurricular program is also a very important part of what we offer our students at St. Andrew's School. Our creative arts department and our sports program are very, very well known within the community, and we have multiple successes every year. Many of our students compete on the national and in some cases on the regional and the international level, and they're very successful. Alongside of that extracurricular program, we offer a CAS program. It is part of the International Baccalaureate program. It is whole school, and it's a program, again, supported by the homeroom tutors in secondary school to help our students become responsible community citizens. And that helps to balance our students alongside of their academic program.
Thank you so much for taking the whole journey with us. For more information, visit us on our website, follow us on Facebook, and give us a call. We'd love to have you come back to visit.